Ever wonder how your phone understands you? It's not magic, it's AI. Today, we're diving into a breakthrough in speech recognition. Speech recognition systems, ASR, convert audio to text, but speech is messy, noise, accents, fast talking. Traditional models use neural networks like the mixture of experts, MOE approach. Think of it as a team of specialists, each handling parts like noise filtering or accent recognition. But traditional MOE models have a problem. Each layer independently picks experts, like a team where everyone decides alone. This leads to errors in tricky situations, like a noisy cafe or heavy accents. Enter the Omni-Router Transformer. It uses a single router to coordinate all experts across layers, acting as a team leader. This unified strategy lets the model specialize better, adapting to diverse data like accents or background noise. How does it work? Traditional models use separate routers per layer, causing fragmented decisions. The Omni-Router uses one router for all layers, leveraging residual connections. Each layer builds on the previous, enabling shared routing. It's like a blueprint guiding the entire team. Results show 11.2% lower error rates versus dense models, and 8.2% versus switch transformer. It's more efficient, avoiding extra layers or loss functions. This could revolutionize AI systems needing adaptability and efficiency, smarter assistants, better transcription tools. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and let me know what you want next. Stay curious.